Hello, I hope you've enjoyed the little presentations I have brought on Mohammad Rafi Saab. From here, we move on to a different journey for the next few days till we come to August 4th. And what is August 4th? The birthday of another legendary singer, Kishore Kumar, born 4th August 1929. And much like Rafi, he also passed away in an untimely manner in 1987. An inimitable singer with an amazing versatility and range. Often when I have asked myself, who do I place higher? It's a very difficult choice, Mohammad Rafi or Kishore Kumar. But then for me, as I'm going to explain to you now, I think Kishore Kumar would occupy a notch or two more higher than Mohammad Rafi in my rankings. For the simple reason that I feel that Kishore Kumar has a much more versatile range. He could make you cry with his romantic songs. He could, have you in splits with his yodeling, with his fun songs, some of which I'm going to be bringing to you. And he was literally talking to the listener through his songs in a manner that no other singer has done. The other reason why I have a special connect with Kishore is that in 1986, I think I was in 11th standard at that time, and as it always happens in the bathroom, I discovered one fine morning that I could yodel, ooh, you, like Kishore Kumar, and that was a moment of great revelation. By then, I think my exposure to Hindi film music, was quite deep, thanks to my mother, my parents, and the kind of songs that we listened to on All India Radio, Radio Ceylon, and so on. So, but the moment I discovered that I could yodel like him, I think that was an amazing moment for me. And from there on, there was a special connect with Kishore Da. And I remember, my friends used to always and often in college challenge me to yodel some of his songs. And I would always, then go back to the bathroom, practice it up, and come back and entertain all of them. So it's very difficult again to begin with any particular song or any particular selection process. Like Rafi Saab, Kishore Da is also an embarrassment of riches. But I'm going to today pick up a song from the famous movie Mr. India, 1987, featuring Anil Kapoor, a versatile actor, and the visualization is very heartwarming, it's very cute. Anil Kapoor with a bunch of children prancing around a tree in a park. And here goes the song. Without any further ado, let me begin. जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है। जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है। थोड़े आंसू है, थोड़ी हंसी, आज गम है तो कल है खुशी। जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है। थोड़े आंसू है, थोड़ी हंसी, आज गम है तो कल है खुशी। जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है। जिंदगी रात भी है सवेरा भी है, जिंदगी जिंदगी रात भी है सवेरा भी है, जिंदगी जिंदगी है सफर और बसेरा भी है, जिंदगी जिंदगी है सफर और बसेरा भी है, जिंदगी एक पल दर्द का घाव है, दूसरा सुख भरी छाव है, हर नए पल नया गीत है, जिंदगी की यही रीत है, जिंदगी की यही रीत है, जिंदगी की यही रीत है। What an amazing singer was Kishore. गम का बादल जो छाए तो हम मुस्कुराते रहे, गम का बादल जो छाए तो हम मुस्कुराते रहे, अपनी आँखों में आशाओं के दीप जलाते रहे, आज बिगड़े तो कल फिर बने, आज रूठे तो कल फिर मने, वक्त भी जैसे एक नीत है, जिंदगी की यही रीत है, जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है, थोड़े आंसू है थोड़ी हंसी, आज गम है तो कल है खुशी। Thank you for watching, and I'll bring you more and more and more songs of Kishore in the coming days. Bye bye, take care, stay well and stay safe.